Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I am so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. We are really glad you joined us. Today, we have a topic that is super fun, super practical, and something you will experience very often in the USA.
That is right. Today, we are going to talk about conversation at the mall.
The mall. Shopping malls are a huge part of American culture. They're not just places to shop, they're places to hang out, eat, meet friends, and spend a whole afternoon.
Yes, in the USA, malls are social destinations. You'll find clothing stores, shoe stores, electronics stores, food courts, movie theaters, and so much more, all under one roof.
And when you're at the mall, you have many different conversations with store employees, with fellow shoppers, with customer service staff, even with strangers.
Knowing what to say in each of these situations will make your mall experience so much more enjoyable and stress-free, and that is exactly what we are going to teach you today.
We will go slow, we will cover all the key vocabulary, and we will give you real example conversations so you can hear exactly how everything sounds in natural American English.
So let us get started. First, let us learn some important mall vocabulary. These are words and phrases you will hear and use constantly when you go shopping in America.
The first word is browse. To browse means to look around a store without a specific plan to buy. You're just exploring, looking at different items, seeing what's available. For example, I'm just browsing today, thank you.
The second word is fitting room. A fitting room, also called a dressing room, is the small private room in a clothing store where you try on clothes before buying them. You take the clothes in, put them on, see how they look and fit, and then decide if you want to buy them.
The third word is receipt. A receipt is the printed paper or digital record that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Always keep your receipt in case you need to return or exchange something.
The fourth word is exchange. To exchange means to bring something back to the store and swap it for a different item. Maybe the size was wrong or the color was not what you expected. You exchange it for the right one.
The fifth word is return. To return means to bring something back to the store for a full refund, meaning you get your money back. Returns are very common in American stores, and most stores have a generous return policy.
Return policy means the rules about returns. How many days do you have to return something? Do you need the receipt? These rules vary by store. Always ask if you are not sure.
The sixth word is sale. A sale means items are being sold at a lower price than usual. You often see signs that say 50% off or buy one, get one free. These are sales. Americans love a good sale.
50% off means the price is cut in half. Buy one, get one free, also called BOGO, means if you buy one item, you get a second item for free. These are very common promotions in American malls.
The seventh word is checkout. Checkout is where you go to pay for your items. In a store, the checkout counter or checkout lane is where the cashier processes your purchase.
And the eighth word is out of stock. Out of stock means the store does not have that item available right now. It is sold out. If you are looking for a specific item and the store does not have it, they might say, "I am sorry, that item is currently out of stock."
Those 8 words, browse, fitting room, receipt, exchange, return, sale, checkout, and out of stock, are your essential mall vocabulary. Know these and you will understand almost everything that happens at the mall.
Now let us talk about the most common conversations you will have at the mall. The first and most frequent one is talking to a store employee when you walk in.
When you walk into a store in America, an employee will usually greet you right away. They might say, "Hi, welcome in. Can I help you find anything today?" Or, "Hey there, let me know if you need any help."
Your response depends on what you need. If you are just looking around, you can say, "Thank you, I'm just browsing for now." This is a very common and perfectly acceptable response.
It tells the employee, "I do not need help right now, but thank you for offering." And it gives you the freedom to explore the store at your own pace.
But if you do need help, say so. You can say, "Actually, yes, I'm looking for blank. Could you help me?" Store employees are there to help you. Do not be shy about asking.
Let us now do our first full example conversation. You walk into a clothing store at the mall. I will be the store employee, and speaker one will be the customer.
Perfect. Let's go.
Hi there. Welcome to the store. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Is there anything I can help you find today?
Actually, yes. I'm looking for a casual button-down shirt, something comfortable for the weekend. Do you have anything like that?
Absolutely. We have a great selection right now. Are you looking for something in a specific color or pattern?
I'm thinking something light, maybe a light blue or white. Nothing too bold.
Perfect. Follow me. We actually just got some new arrivals this week that I think you're going to love. They're super soft and very casual.
Oh, great. And do you have them in a medium? That's usually my size.
Yes, we should have mediums in stock. Let me check for you real quick. Yes, here we go. This light blue one just came in. Feel how soft the fabric is.
Oh, wow, that's really nice. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are right in the back. Take as many as you like.
Thank you so much. You have been really helpful.
My pleasure. Let me know how it fits and if you need a different size.
Will do. Thank you.
That was such a smooth and natural store conversation. Let us highlight the key phrases.
First, I'm just browsing for now. This is your go-to phrase when you do not need help. Polite, clear, and very natural. Americans say this constantly when they walk into stores.
Second, I'm looking for, could you help me? This is how you ask for assistance. Starting with, I'm looking for, clearly communicates your need, and could you help me is polite and respectful.
Third, nothing too bold. Bold in fashion means very bright, very colorful, or very loud patterns. Saying nothing too bold means you want something subtle and understated. This is great fashion vocabulary.
Fourth, new arrivals. New arrivals means items that just came into the store recently. They are the newest, freshest products. Store employees love to show customers new arrivals.
Fifth, let me check for you real quick. Real quick means very fast, in just a moment. This is a very casual and common American expression. It means the person will do something immediately without making you wait long.
Sixth, feel how soft the fabric is. Fabric is the material the clothing is made from. Cotton, polyester, linen, these are all types of fabric. Inviting you to feel it is a common sales technique that store employees use to help you connect with the product.
Seventh, will do. Will do is a very casual American way of saying, yes, I will do that. I understand. It is short, confident, and friendly. Americans say it all the time.
Now, let us talk about the fitting room. This is where things can get a little tricky for beginners, but with the right phrases, it is very easy to handle.
When you take clothes to the fitting room, an employee at the fitting room entrance will count your items. They might say, how many items do you have today?
You count your items and tell them. For example, I have 3 items. They'll hand you a card or tag with a number on it. This tells you which fitting room to use.
Inside the fitting room, you try on the clothes. If something does not fit, maybe it's too big or too small, you can ask for a different size. You can open the fitting room door a little and say, excuse me, could I get this in a size small? This medium is a little too big. The employee will bring you the right size if it's available.
Or if you do not like the item at all, you simply leave it in the fitting room or hand it to the employee when you come out. They'll handle it for you. No explanation needed.
Let's do a quick fitting room conversation. I'll be the fitting room employee and speaker 1 will be the customer.
Here we go. Hi, how many items do you have today?
Hi, I have 4 items.
Perfect. You can go ahead into fitting room number 3. Let me know if you need any help.
Thank you. Actually, excuse me, do you think you could grab this shirt in a large? This medium is a little snug.
Of course. Snug means a little tight, right? Let me check if we have a large in that style. Give me just one moment.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Of course. Here you go. 1 large. Let me know if that works better.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Take your time.
Great conversation. Let us pull out the most useful phrases.
First, this medium is a little snug. Snug means tight, a little too fitted, a little uncomfortable. It is a gentle way to say something does not fit perfectly, more polite than saying, this is too small.
Second, give me just one moment. This is what the employee says when they need a short amount of time to do something. One moment means just a few seconds or minutes. It's a polite and professional.
Third, take your time. This is a warm invitation to relax and not feel rushed. It means there is no hurry. Explore at your own pace. Americans say this to make customers feel comfortable.
Now let us talk about the checkout, paying for your items. After you've found what you want, you bring everything to the checkout counter and pay.
The cashier will scan your items and tell you the total. You pay with cash or card, and then they will ask, would you like your receipt in the bag or emailed to you?
Many stores in America now offer digital receipts, emailed directly to you. This is eco-friendly and very convenient. If you want a paper receipt, say, paper is fine, thank you. If you want digital, say, email is great, thanks.
The cashier might also ask, do you have a store rewards card? Or, would you like to sign up for our loyalty program? These are questions about membership cards that give you discounts and points.
If you are interested, say, sure, how does it work? If you are not, simply say, no thank you, I'm all set. I'm all set means I'm fine, I don't need anything else.
Let's do a quick checkout conversation. I'll be the cashier and speaker one will be the customer.
Here we go.
Hi, did you find everything okay today?
Yes, I did, thank you. Everyone was super helpful.
That's great to hear. I'll get you rung up. Do you have a rewards card with us?
I do not, actually.
No problem. Would you like to sign up today? It's free and you get 10% off your purchase right now.
Oh, really? 10% off today? Sure, why not? That sounds like a great deal.
Awesome. I just need your email address and phone number. It only takes 30 seconds.
Of course. My email is sarah@gmail.com and my number is 555-347-8921.
Perfect. You are all signed up. So your total today comes to $42.60 with the discount applied.
Great. I will pay with my card.
Sure. Go ahead and tap or swipe whenever you're ready.
Done.
Perfect. And would you like your receipt in the bag or emailed?
Emailed is great. Thanks.
You are all set. Have a wonderful rest of your day and enjoy your new shirt.
Thank you so much. You too.
That was a perfect checkout conversation. Smooth, natural, and full of great phrases.
First, that is great to hear. This is a warm response when a customer gives a compliment. It shows appreciation without being over the top, natural and professional.
Second, get you rung up. Rung up means process your purchase, scan your items, and take your payment. It is a very common retail expression in America.
Third, sure, why not? This is a casual and enthusiastic way to say yes to something. It means, that sounds good. I have no reason to say no. Americans say this when something sounds like a good deal or a fun idea.
Fourth, with the discount applied. Applied means added or included. The discount has been calculated and subtracted from your total. This is common language at checkout.
Fifth, enjoy your new shirt. This is a warm and personal farewell from the cashier. It is specific. They mention what you bought. It makes the interaction feel friendly and genuine.
Now, let us talk about one more important situation, returning or exchanging an item. Maybe you got home and the shirt does not look right, or the size was wrong. You need to go back to the store.
When you walk up to the customer service desk or returns counter, you might say, "Hi, I would like to return this, please. I have my receipt." Or, "Excuse me, I bought this shirt last week and I would like to exchange it for a different size. Is that possible?"
The customer service employee will ask, "What is the reason for the return?" You can say, "It does not fit," or "The color is not what I expected," or "I just changed my mind." Changing your mind is a completely valid reason for a return in America.
Let's do a quick return conversation. I'll be the customer and speaker one will be the customer service employee.
Hi, welcome to the returns desk. How can I help you today?
Hi, I bought this jacket here 3 days ago and I would like to return it, please. It's a little too big and I already found a smaller size elsewhere.
Of course, no problem at all. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, I do, right here.
Perfect. And did you pay with cash or card?
I paid with my debit card. Great. I will process the refund back to your card. It should appear in 3 to 5 business days.
That is totally fine. Thank you so much for making this so easy.
Of course. That is what we are here for. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I'm all set. Thank you again. Have a great day.
You too. Come back and see us soon.
Beautiful conversation. Let us highlight the final key phrases.
First, I already found a smaller size elsewhere. Elsewhere means at another store or another place. This is a polite way to explain why you're returning without making the store feel bad.
Second, it should appear in 3 to 5 business days. Business days means working days, Monday through Friday. Weekends do not count. So 3 to 5 business days means your refund will come in about a week.
Third, that is what we are here for. This is a warm customer service phrase. It means helping you is our job and our purpose. It makes the customer feel valued and welcomed.
Let us now do our complete phrase review. Repeat each phrase after us.
First, I'm just browsing for now. Thank you. I am just browsing for now. Thank you.
Second, I'm looking for blank. Could you help me? I am looking for could you help me?
Third, nothing too bold. Nothing too bold.
Fourth, could I get this in a size small? Could I get this in a size small?
Fifth, this is a little snug. This is a little snug.
Sixth, take your time. Take your time.
Seventh, sure, why not? That sounds like a great deal. Sure, why not? That sounds like a great deal.
Eighth, I'm all set. Thank you. I am all set. Thank you.
Ninth, I would like to return this, please. I have my receipt. I would like to return this, please. I have my receipt.
And 10th, will do. Thank you so much. Will do. Thank you so much.
10 essential phrases for conversations at the mall, from walking in the door to browsing, trying on clothes, checking out, and returning. You are now prepared for every single step.
Remember, mall employees in America are trained to be helpful and friendly. They want you to have a great experience. So do not be shy. Ask questions. Ask for help. Ask for different sizes.
You are a customer, and your experience matters. You deserve great service. And with these phrases, you'll be able to communicate your needs clearly, politely, and confidently.
So the next time you walk into a store at the mall, smile at the employee and say, "Hi, I'm looking for something casual. Could you help me find it?"
They'll be happy to help, and you'll have a wonderful shopping experience.
We are so proud of you for learning with us today. The mall is one of the best places to practice your real-life English. Every visit is a real conversation opportunity.
Thank you so much for listening to today's podcast. We hope it was helpful, practical, and fun to follow.
Listen again, repeat the phrases out loud, and practice describing what you're looking for. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel.
And join us next time for another everyday English topic that will help you feel completely at home in the USA.
Until then, keep practicing, keep shopping, and never stop learning.
Take care, everyone. See you next time.